Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task: a small Phillips screwdriver, compressed air canister, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to perform the cleaning. Start by shutting down your Dell P25G laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable, ensuring your device is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to see if you've removed all the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom panel off. Be cautious, as some laptops have clips that may require a little extra force. If you feel unsure about this process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the bottom panel removed, you'll see the internal components, including the fan. Use the soft brush to gently sweep away any dust or debris around the fan area. This helps to prevent any buildup that could affect performance. Next, take the compressed air canister. Make sure to hold it upright and use short bursts of air to clear out dust from the fan blades. Be careful not to spin the fan while doing this, as it can damage the components. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. After clearing the dust from the fan, take the microfiber cloth and wipe down any visible areas inside the laptop to ensure it's clean. This is a great opportunity to check for any other issues that may need addressing. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Once you've completed the cleaning, carefully reattach the bottom panel of your laptop. Align it properly and press down gently to secure it in place. Then, replace the screws you had set aside earlier. Make sure each screw is snug but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Finally, reconnect the battery if it was removed, plug your laptop back in, and power it on. You should notice an improvement in performance and reduced noise from the fan. Keep in mind that regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. If you prefer not to do this yourself, remember, we offer no calls, no travel options for your convenience. Cleaning your Dell P25G fan is a straightforward process that can greatly benefit your laptop's performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.